Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
AI is revolutionizing the way social media marketing operates. In today's digital age, businesses rely heavily on social media platforms to engage with their target audience and promote their products or services. AI plays a crucial role in enhancing these marketing efforts by leveraging its capabilities to gather valuable insights.
Nature, in the broadest sense, is the physical world or universe. Broadest sense is the physical world or universe. Nature can refer to the phenomena of the physical. With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more.
With cloud machine learning, your application interprets images, texts, and more. Nature is a British weekly scientific journal founded and based in London, England. As a multidisciplinary publication, founded in autumn 1869, Nature was first. Since the late 2000s, Nature's peer-reviewed research from a variety of academic disciplines.
Hi, I can read any text you type here.